Hello students. Now after learning eigenvalues, eigenvector, diagonalization and their application of eigenvalue and eigenvector, now let us do one method which is basically a numerical method. Numerical method to find out the largest eigenvalue, and it is known as Rayleigh's power method. So I will be finding out the largest eigenvalue and corresponding eigenvector. This method is numerical method because I can easily write the program for it. I can write the code for it, right? So in computer, when you solve this, you get a very accurate answer. Now how to work on this? First understand the process. They will give me a matrix A, correct? And there will be a initial vector x0. Now this x0 is given in question. If it is not given in the question, then we take x0 of our choice. We can take it 1 0 0, we can take it 0 1 0, we can take it 0 0 1, we can take it 1 1 0, we can take it 1 1 1. It's up to us. Simple, the better. You can take 99, 97, 98 also, but better to take the simple one so that our calculations are easy, right? So I need a matrix A and I need an initial vector to start the process. Now what is the process? How we will start? Now this x0 is called the initial vector. First step, I will take A x0. Now when you multiply this square matrix and this column matrix, you will get one column matrix. Okay, you will get one column matrix. Now whatever is a column matrix, let it be A, B and C. What you have to do, whatever is the largest value from A, B, C, that you have to take out. Suppose B is the largest, so I'll take out B. So what is left? A by B, 1 and C by B. So this B is my first eigenvalue and this column matrix is my first eigenvector. So this is the first iteration, correct? Now second iteration, how I'll do? I'll take A and I'll take this x1 now. When I will multiply, again I will get one column matrix, suppose D, E, F. Now in this, suppose F is largest, so I will take out F common. So what is left? D by F, E by F and 1. So this F will become my lambda 2 and this is my new eigenvector. I will keep on doing this process till suppose lambda 3 I did, lambda 4 I did, lambda 5 I did. Now suppose if lambda 4 and lambda 5 are same, then I will stop. Okay, now when you are multiplying a matrix with a column matrix, orally you can multiply it, not a big issue. But to avoid the errors and mistakes, especially when the matrix have decimal numbers, I will suggest you to use calculator. Go to mode, select mat A of 3 cross 3. Put the values. Then go to data, put another mat B of 3 cross 1. That is a column matrix. Now directly multiply these two, so you will get a column matrix. Now what you have to do, again and again, you don't have to put the matrix in calculator. Only mat B you keep on changing, which is a column matrix. So very fast you can multiply in calculator and write down the values. In the beginning you will find it is lengthy, but then once you are used to calculator, it won't take much time. But yes, this method itself is lengthy. It will take a lot of time because sometimes 7-8 iteration you have to do to get the answer. Right? So let us start with the question. It's very easy. Only thing, it is lengthy. Now, suppose you have a question this and I am asking you, find the largest eigenvalue and corresponding eigenvector for A by power method. This is also known as power method or Rayleigh method. Rayleigh method I have written and many people call it only power method also. Okay, so now let us start. Now initial vector they have not given. So let me take my initial vector as say 1 0 0. When you are writing it as a row, just write T at the top, means transpose. T or dash also you can write. So it is a column matrix basically. Now step 1. Step 1, as I said, I will do A x0. Now what is A? A is 2 0 1 0 2 0 1 0 2. What is x0? x0 is 1, 0, 0. Now I will multiply this. As I said, practice it on calculator. Those who are too stubborn not to use calculator, look at this. How I multiply the matrix? 2 into 1, 2. Plus 0 into 0, 0. Plus 1 into 0, 0. Then 0 into 1, 0. Plus 2 into 0, 0. Plus 0. Then 1 plus 0 plus 0. So I got 2, 0, 1. Now in these three, which one is the largest? 2 is the largest. So I will take out 2 common and I will have 1, 0 and 1 by 2. So this is my first eigenvalue and this is my first eigenvector x1. Right, and this is my lambda 1. Now I will do the second iteration. Second iteration means a of x1. So again I will write down a. So my a is 2, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 2 and here 1, 0.5. Correct? Now if you want to do it orally, 2 ones are 2 plus 0 plus 0.5. So it will become 2.5. Right? Then 0 plus 0 plus 0. So 0. Then 1 plus 0 plus 2 into 2.5 is 1. So this will become 2. Which is the largest value? 2.5. So 2.5 will come out and I am left with 1, 0 and 2 upon 2.5. So 2 upon 2.5 when you will do, that will be equal to 0.8. So this is my lambda 2 and my x2. Right? Now I will do a x2. So again I will substitute the value of a. I am writing a. You should write the whole matrix. I will multiply it by 1, 0.8. Now when I will multiply it by 1, 0.8, I will get 2.8, 0 and 2.6. Okay, in your calculator if a is already there, just keep on changing b. Now you take 2.8 out. So you are left with 1, 0.93. This become my lambda 3 and x3. Now I will do a x3. So a, what is x3? 10.93. Correct? So this value is equal to, just multiply this, you will get 2.93, 0, 2.86. Which is the largest? 2.93. Take it out. So here 1, 0 and 2.86 upon 2.93. Right? So it will become 10.98. So this is my lambda 4 x4. Next. Now I will do a x4. So a, and what is x4? 10.98. Right? 10.98. Now when I will multiply, I will get 2.98, 0, 2.96. Correct? So this is, which one is the highest? 2.98. Take out 2.98. So what is left now? 0.99. So this is my lambda 5 and x5. Now do a x5. So it is equal to a 10.99. That will give me 2.99, 0, 2.98. So this is will give me 2.99, 0.997. So this is lambda 6 and this is x6. Now again do a x6. So that will give me, when you multiply, I will get 2.997, 0 and 2.994. So I will take 2.997 common and I am left with 0.99. So now see 2.99 repeated. So my eigenvalue is 2.99, which is approximately 3. and corresponding eigenvector is 10.99. So method is very simple. Just you keep on repeating, and it matters a lot if you change the initial vector. Okay, if you change the eigenvector in this question 101, probably you will get answer very fast. So now it will be a chance. If they are giving certain eigenvector, you have to start with that only. Otherwise, it is up to chance ki what you have taken and where it is converging. Now let us see this question. Now initial solution they have given 1 1 1. So let me start with a x0. So a x0 means 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3 multiply by 1 1 1. Again I will suggest you, please practice it on calculator. In the beginning you will feel that doing manual is much better, but when you practice calculator you will realize it saves a lot of time and it gives a lot of accuracy to you, right? So now let me start. When you multiply this, first you will get 604. Now which one is largest? 6. So this 6 you take out. So what is left? 104 by 6. So this is my lambda 1 and this is my x1. Okay. So now go to the next step. So next step I will do a x1. So a, and what is the x1? x1 is 1, 0, 4 by 6 is nothing but 0.67. Now when you multiply this, okay, when you multiply this you will get 7.34 minus 2.67, 4.01. Now you see, when you have so many decimals, it is much better to use calculator. When simple numbers, it's okay, but when decimals, you need calculator. So minus 0.36 and 0.55. 7.34 is largest, so take it out. So what is left? This is left. So this is my lambda 2 and this is my x2. So now again I'll go to the next iteration. So a x2 I'll do. A is a and my x2 is 1 minus 0.36, 0.55. Again in calculator just change your B matrix. So when you multiply this, you will get 7.82 minus 3.63 and 4.01. Correct? And this will be equal to 7.82 because it is highest. So take it out. 1 minus 0.46, 0.51. So this will become my next value of lambda and this will become my next value of x, that is x3. So next step I will do a x3. Right? Now a x3 when you are doing, this will give me a into 1 minus 0.46, 0.51. So when you multiply this in calculator, you will get 7.94 minus 3.89 and 3.99. So again 7.94 is largest. So take out 7.94 out. So what is left? 1. Okay. Minus 0.49 and 0.5. So this is my new value, eigenvalue, and this is my new corresponding eigenvector. So now go to the next step. A x4 I will do. So I will put a and x4 is 1 minus 0.49, 0.5. Correct? So now when I multiply this, I will get 7.98, then minus 3.97, 3.99. Which is largest? 7.98. So take it out. So what is left now? 1 minus 0.5, 0.5. Correct? Again repeat the process. A x5 is equal to a 1 minus 0.5, 0.5. So when you do this, you will get a very simple 8 minus 4, 4. Correct? So now what I will do? I will take out 8 common. I will be left with 2 minus 1, 1. Sorry, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Correct? Now when you do once again, since I got the simple numbers, now once again you do, you will get 8. So 8 is my largest eigenvalue and this is the corresponding eigenvector. So method is very, very simple. So let's do one more question. Now in this also x0 is not given, so I'll take it 1 0 0 and I'll start the process. So now when I am doing, again same thing you have to do. So let me start. First step, a x0 I'll do. So a x0 means 25 1 2 1 3 0 2 0 minus 4 into 1 0 0. When you multiply this, you will get 25 1 2. Now which one is largest? 25. So 25 comes out and I am left with 1.04.08. So this is my corresponding eigenvalue and this is my corresponding eigenvector. So I'll do a x1. Now my a will remain same, 25 1 2 1 3 0 2 0 minus 4, and what will be my eigenvector now? This new one. So 1.04.08. Now when you multiply this, you will get 25.2, then 1.12, 1.68. Now highest is 25.2, take it out. So what is left now? 1.04.07. Correct? So this is my new eigenvalue, this is my new eigenvector. So a x2 now I will be doing. So a, and what is my x2 value now? 1.04.07. Now when you multiply this, you will get 25.18, 1.12, 1.72. Right? So now since 25 is repeating, I'll take out 25 out, and sometime you will feel it is not going close. That time you have to stop. So this will be equal to 1.04.07. See, my eigenvectors stopped changing. So the moment any one thing stop changing, we have to stop. Right? So these two eigenvectors are same. So I will stop here and I will say my answer is 25.18, which is the largest eigenvalue. Correct? Now let's see the next question. Now next question, they have given initial solution as 1.8 minus 0.8 and they have told do the 5 iteration. So I started with my x0 given. When I multiplied, I got this. Highest value was 5.6. I took it out. Then I was left with this. So I went to the next step. Multiply this a with this new vector. I got this. The highest was 5.86. I took it out. I am left with this. Next step. Again you take the matrix, multiply it by this new eigenvector. You will get this. The highest is 5.96. So I took 5.96 out. I am left with this. Now multiply a again by this. Take the highest common. Repeat the process till you get the repetition. See, I got the repetition of eigenvalue as well as eigenvector. So I will stop and I will declare that 5.99 approximately 6 is the largest eigenvalue. Correct? See one more question. Now this is a question and this matrix is given. So again start the same process. Multiply a by this initial vector. 1 0 0 1 came. 1 is the largest. Take out 1. I am left with this. Multiply a with this. Whatever came, take it out. Repeat the process till you get the repetition of eigenvalue or eigenvector. If you observe here, my eigenvectors started repeating and eigenvalue also started repeating 3.41. So I'll stop here. Now look at the next question. Initial solution is 1 0 0. Multiply. Get it. Then again same process you have to keep on repeating. Right? In case in exam, if you start with certain vector and it is not converging, or in the beginning only same vector is coming, then what you need to do, you need to change your initial vector. Change the initial vector, maybe immediately you will get. But don't go for the complicated initial vector. Select 1 1 1 or 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1. So your calculations will be easy. I hope you understood this method. Right? It is very simple method but very important method, and usually it is asked for more marks because it is lengthy. So in this question, when I keep on doing, in 6th iteration I am getting the answer as 4. Right? So if you understood everything, like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel so that you will get the notification the moment I will upload the videos. So I have uploaded all the videos of 3 modules which are coming for your internal exam, that is module 1, module 2 and module 3, which is coming half till question number 16 of your question bank. So that much part we have done. After the internal, I'll be uploading the remaining topics of the module, and I'll be covering all the 5 modules which are there in your syllabus. Thank you.